Well, I first started seeing Tony about 2 years ago, and it was in the middle of lockdown. Um, I couldn't find anybody else to treat me, and I'd already seen neurologists, um, orthopaedic surgeons, several podiatrists. I'd seen physiotherapists, and nothing that they did worked. So didn't really hold out much hope that this would work. But I went to see Tony and she explained everything to me, how the ABC technique worked. And I saw her intensely at first, twice a week for a few weeks, and then it sort of dropped off. And I've been suffering with pain all up the right side, head, neck, foot, knee, hip, you name it. Couldn't walk. Basically for about 3 or 4 years I did nothing apart from go to work, sit in a chair, drive home and sit down. And then gradually I noticed that I could look up where I couldn't look up before, and I started doing things like a bit of dusting. I might start doing a square yard of lawn, and gradually over the weeks and the months I got stronger. I was told to throw all my shoes out because they were no good, so I went barefoot. And that was probably the most difficult 2 weeks of getting rid of all the padding that I'd been using in shoes. And as time progressed, I climbed up a ladder and I did decorating. I now mow the whole lawn, or even 2 lawns. There is nothing I don't do. I can walk up for 8 hours a day. I scramble down hills, walk every day. And there is nothing, and Tony just adjusts me now and again, and I'm back to as good as new. And I would recommend anybody, even if there's nothing wrong with them, to get themselves checked because it really does work.